Iowa Precision Industries, a company dedicated to the innovative development and manufacturing of coil-fed sheet metal equipment. Iowa Precision has more than 3 decades of development and manufacturing experience and has established a solid reputation for building quality systems around the world. The Shelf Maker coil processor is an excellent example of how Iowa Precision meets the needs of manufacturers in the shelving industry. The Shelf Maker coil processor produces steel shelving blanks and similar products from coils of 18 to 26 gauge steel. In addition to a very high production rate, the system can continue to operate while maintenance is being performed. This is very important for manufacturers who cannot afford to stop production for routine jobs, such as die sharpening. All operations of the coil processor are computer controlled. Part information is loaded into the computer from a magnetic card. The operator enters the number of parts needed in a job. Up to 10 jobs can be stored at a time and can be run in any order. The Shelf Maker can handle coils of steel up to 5 feet wide. The uncoiler feeds steel to a 6-roll straightener to remove coil set, and a roll oiler lubricates the sheet to prolong die life. After straightening, a feed-to-stop system feeds material into a pair of identical punch presses for punching and notching operations. The high-speed presses have a cycle time of 190 milliseconds, so that the die heads can fire as soon as the part is positioned. When a job is started, the computer calculates the correct press positions, and hydraulic controls move the presses. The press adjustment can be done automatically by the computer or manually by the operator. The presses are positioned to minimize part movements in the feed-to-stop system. After press setup, the system can perform up to 4 operations on up to 3 different parts at the same time. Punching and notching accuracy is plus or minus 5 thousandths of an inch. At the shear, accuracy also is plus or minus 5 thousandths. In this machine, an optional turnover table flips the blanks and feeds them to a roller conveyor. The roller conveyor transports the finished blanks to a roll former for additional forming operations. The Shelf Maker produces top shelving with decorative diamond punches. The die sets can be changed to punch circles, rectangles, or other patterns. Notches are punched into the corners by a separate die. Each press has a punch die and a notching die. The dies can be gauged to accommodate shelving blanks in widths from 24 to 48 inches and depths from 6 to 36 inches. Because the system can work on multiple parts, production rates are about 66% higher than comparable single press systems. The coil processor can produce about 1,200 parts per hour, depending upon shelf width and the number of operations performed. The 2 presses are identical, so that one press can operate by itself while the other press is down for die service. This allows the line to continue operating during normal maintenance procedures. A dual redundant hydraulic system provides extreme reliability, plus the ability to operate on a single hydraulic unit if necessary. Either unit has the capacity to run both presses. Maintenance requirements are reduced considerably by automatic lubrication of key interior and exterior components in the coil processor. The roll oiler lubricates parts to prolong the life of dies. A wide variety of options are available for the coil processor, including a traversing expandrel uncoiler, coil car, dual sheet detector, slitters, edge trimmers, scrap rewinders, and automatic die positioning under computer control. The coil processor can be integrated with material handling systems, roll formers, and other production equipment by Iowa Precision's experienced engineers. The combination of high production speed, the ability to continue operating during normal maintenance, and computer-controlled automatic operation makes the coil processor an ideal machine for shelving manufacturers around the world. And training of your personnel and installation of equipment are part of the total service available from Iowa Precision. At Iowa Precision, we can design and build a coil processor to meet your specific manufacturing needs.